having trouble with Viber not opening on your PC, you're in the right place. Today we're going to go through some effective troubleshooting steps to help you get Viber up and running again. So let's dive in. Let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Click on Start, then Power and select Restart. After your PC restarts, try opening Viber again. Ensure that your internet connection is working properly. An outdated version of Viber might cause issues. Let's check for updates. Open Viber. If Viber is not opening at all, you might need to manually update it. Go to Viber's official website and download the latest version of the app. Here, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to update Viber. Now, running Viber with administrative privileges can sometimes fix issue. Find the Viber shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on it and open as Run as Administrator. If Viber is still not opening, reinstalling the application might be the solution. Go to Settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Simply find Viber and uninstall it from your device. And simply reinstall it. If none of these solutions work, you might need to reach out to Viber support. Visit Viber support page and provide details about your issue and follow the instruction to submit a support request. And that's a wrap on how to fix Viber not opening on your PC. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.